That's where I got electrocuted in the fuse box. That's where I got electrocuted in the fuse box. Isn't it party? See, my porch is cleaned off. Didn't get on my porch. That's about it. I can't go out in the snow and take any more. I could go get the dogs out back. Are you playing in the snow? Huh? You guys playing in the snow? It's snowing out. You got some snow in your beard. You got some snow in your beard. Yes, you do. You got snow all in your beard. What do you think of that? This is my backyard, as I told you. There's no feng shui to it at all. But I do have, see, it's all fenced in down here. And that you can see out to the cul-de-sac behind me through the woods, which in the summer you can't see. But on this side I've got privacy because of the Yorkie room. But yeah, this is my neighborhood. And there's the back of my house. That's my bedroom. And there is the kitchen. And there's the poop can. There's your chair. And there's the Yorkies. And there's the Yorkies. Yes, there's Zen. Hi, Zen. And that's Mirage. Yeah. And Atlas. That's Atlas. That's Atlas.